Hello guys, welcome to the next video tutorial on Java programming for beginners. And in this video we will see what does the static keyword do in a class. So in the last videos which I have been showing you, you may have seen the usage of this keyword static with some member method or member variables of a class. And you may be curious, what is the meaning of this? This is not just we are putting like this. It has some meaning. So the meaning behind the static keyword is whenever you declare your member as static, the static member belongs to the class instance instead of some specific instance of a class. So let me give you an example and then we will see it once again. So I have a class called hello and which contains two methods. One is a static method and other is a non-static method. Static method means I have added static keyword to this, and this method is not doing much. It's just taking string as an argument and it's returning this string in as whatever we pass back. And the same method we are using here, it has a different name which is do something else, and this does not have any static keyword in it. Okay, so whenever we declare the instance of a class, for example hello is equal to new hello, the static member is shared by, so whenever you create an instance you can create many instances of, for example, hello 1, hello 2. The static member method will be shared by every instance. Okay, and the static member only belongs to the class, not to the instance. So it will not belong to the instance of a class, but it will only belong to the class itself. So if you want to do something like this, say dot do something, which is a static method, and we want to pass some message, hi YouTube, for example, it it will work, and it will work fine, but it will give some warning here. And the warning is the static method do something from the type hello should not be accessed in static way. Okay, so you cannot access, or you can access this, but it's a wrong way of accessing this method, which is declared as static method. So for accessing your static method, whatever you define as static, you can access this method directly from a class like hello dot do something, and this is the right way. And once you do this, your warning message will be gone. Okay, but a non-static method, when you try to access, so this hello is my class name dot do something is not, something else is not available in this class, right? So this method is not available or cannot be accessed directly with the class name. But whenever you add a static before your method name or variable name, it's accessed from the class itself. So do something is accessed from the class, and do something else, which is not a static method, cannot be accessed by directly by this class. You see there is no do something else. But this non-static method is available through the instance of a class. Okay, so basically the non-static methods are available or can be accessed using the instance of a class, and the static method should be accessed using the class itself, not the instance. Okay. So this is the correct way of using a static class or static method, and this is the correct way of using non-static method. You can even declare some variable as static, for example public static int age, for example, and then whenever you want to access by this instance, you can just for example hello dot age. Whenever you want to assign some value to the age, let's see what happens. So it's okay right now, but it's once again showing the warning that the static field hello age should be accessed statically, right? Once again we define a different instance of this class hello1, and we assign some different value here, for example 20 or 50, right? And we will print hello age once again. So sys o, and we will print this hello age here, and we will print this hello age here also with this instance. Okay, and for now let's comment these two, and when we run the program, it gives you the same, I mean the answer, but it's preferred because it's a instance, or not the instance, but it's the X member of the class. You need to use it like this, not by instance, but using the class itself. Okay. So whenever you want to declare a variable or a method static, just access them using a class, and whenever you are using non-static method or variable, access them with the instance of a class. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.